In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iMessage not sending on iPhone in 2025. It's common to experience issues with sending messages through iMessage, and today we'll walk through some straightforward solutions to get everything up and running smoothly. If you've been frustrated by messages not sending, you're in the right place, so let's dive right in. First off, it's essential to ensure your iPhone is properly connected to the internet since iMessage relies on either a Wi-Fi or mobile data connection to send messages. To start, check that your device is linked to a stable Wi-Fi network or that your mobile data is on. A simple way to verify this is by trying to load a web page. If the page doesn't load, you might have an internet issue on your hands. Resolve any connection problems and see if iMessage starts sending again. Remember, being connected to the internet is the foundation of most iMessage functionalities. Next up, let's give the iMessage feature itself a little refresh. We're going to toggle iMessage off and on. To do this, navigate to your iPhone's settings. You'll want to go to settings, then scroll down and tap on messages under the apps section. Once you are in the messages settings, locate the toggle switch for iMessage, turn it off. Now give it about 10 seconds, maybe take a deep breath or two while you wait before you switch it back on. After re-enabling iMessage, you might notice a message saying waiting for activation. This is normal and usually resolves itself in a few minutes as your iPhone communicates with Apple's servers. Now, if you've tackled both internet connectivity and toggling iMessage without success, it might be time to consider updating your iOS. Apple frequently includes iMessage bug fixes within their software updates, which means having the latest version can make a significant difference. To check for updates, go into your settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and download it. Installing the latest software ensures your phone has the newest improvements and hopefully repairs any existing bugs with iMessage. And there you have it, 3 practical solutions to fix iMessage when it isn't sending on your iPhone. Whether it's verifying your internet connection, resetting iMessage, or updating your iOS, each step can play a vital role in solving the issue. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're back to sending messages without a hitch. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials.